Hi and welcome to your English 6 course at Kävlinge Lärcentrum. The first thing that you should start with is to read the course information very well. The second thing is that you're going to plan your studies. Since different students start at different times and finish at different times, you need to plan your own course. So look at the first planning the course here. Another thing is to choose a novel. We don't have a textbook in this course. Instead, you have a lot of assignments to read and listen to and watch. But we do have a novel that you should read. Either you borrow one from the school or you read your own one that you buy or borrow from the library. So you begin with that in Unit 1 and then you send in a novel assignment in Unit 4. Unit 2 is about American historical event, to write a reportage and also to listen to a podcast and a TED Talk. Unit 3 we work with Shakespeare and write an argumentative essay. Unit 4 we work with courage, writing a discussion essay about courage, among other things. And Unit 5 is centered on the national exam. And of course, since you don't do many exams during the course, mostly assignments that you send in, the national test or exam is very important. So it tests your reading, writing, speaking, and listening. And often you do it during 2 times at the end of the course. So everything that you do during the course is a preparation for that. Some of the assignments you get a grade on, and then it says, for example, F to A. Some of the assignments says assessed as done, not done. Then you get feedback to try to become better at something. But those assignments are also very good and very important. Sometimes you get asked to improve something that you have done, and that doesn't mean that it's a bad assignment, but only that you can learn something from improving it. So try to really work with the feedback that you get and improve yourself, and in that way you will become much better. Also remember to try to use English as much as possible. It's very helpful if you watch films, if you listen to podcasts and read the news in English, and of course speak English if you have someone to speak to. And try to be inquisitive, look up new words and try to learn English all the time. Try to come to what we call Studiesmedjan, which we have every Tuesday between 3 and 6. Here you can get help with your studies, or just come and study to meet some other students and to get help when you need it. So I wish you good luck. Remember to keep active and do something each week. And if you just study hard, I think it will go well for you. Good luck.